In this video, I'm showing you how you can set up this system where you're promoting this social media related product, where you're making almost this amount every single month. To be specific, you're going to be making almost 35% of the sale every single month, where you can see that top performers make almost $3,000 on average every single month. So if you're excited to get into this strategy, then hit the like button and let's get straight into the video. So in case you're not aware, businesses rely on social media marketing to drive traffic to their stores, to their online stores, whether it's a product or service that they're selling. Some need it much more than others. And the audience that we're looking at are people that require this service. And this product that we're looking at here, called Promo Republic, is an all-in-one tool. Whether it's a small business or bigger business, this software helps them to automate the entire suite of services, from posting to their business pages on social media effortlessly, where it doesn't just post new content, but actually recycles the content that performed really well, the successful posts. A user could even organize their content. And this software here, Promo Republic, allows you to skip ahead of the process by not starting from scratch. There's a lot of templates, proven templates that you can choose from. And after creating the content and posting on social media, it has a feature where you can look at reports so you can see through these statistics how the content is performing, what works well, and what just needs to be thrown out the door. And this is great so that a business who's busy don't waste their time. Now, you are not going to use this. We're going to find people who is interested in using a product like this. Put this product in front of them so that when they start using this, we would get a commission for those sales, monthly commissions. And we have a lot of stuff to work with here in the success stories. And we will dive into that when we actually get into how we're going to promote this product. So something that we can start to get out of the way one time is to search in Google for Promo Republic affiliate program and click the first link in the results here, which will then take you to this page, where you fill out this basic information and then hit sign up now. Once you're confirmed, you'll get your affiliate link. And when people click that affiliate link, they'll be taken to this page, whereby when they choose one of these options here, let's say they choose this free 14-day trial, and after 14 days, they realize that they need this to run their business. They can focus on their business, the core business activities, while the social media stuff is automated in the best way possible, giving them the best result. So they decide after the 14-day trial to take this package. So as long as they continue to take this package, you get roughly 35% of this every month, which amounts to about $20 every single month. Now this is the lowest one. There's higher packages like the agency option. In this case, you'll get $35 every single month. There's even higher ones, but this is one that they need to contact Promo Republic to find something that better meets their requirements. And if somebody's choosing this one through your link, then there's a good chance that you will be making a lot more money with that option. So now let's quickly look at how you can drive traffic to this link here so that somebody can take one of these packages. Now to think about this, we need to figure out what is somebody searching for when they're interested in taking up this service. They don't want to do all of this themselves, so it may not make sense to build detailed tutorials how to get these different things done, but a bit more high level. For example, if a restaurant wanted to automate their social media, or this baby and kids fashion brand, or even this florist. Now these that I'm pointing out here are success stories from Promo Republic, which means they would have used this tool, gotten great results, where they showed how much social media engagement increased since using this product and how little time they spent using social media since being on this platform. And this page is important, but we'll get back to this page in a little bit. The reason I'm showing you this is because people who are busy running their businesses like these, they may just be looking for simple things like social media tips to increase engagement. Let's say they are on Facebook. They're looking for Facebook engagement tips or what to post on Facebook. So let's find the kind of content people are looking for as it relates to social media tips. To do that, just head over to Google and search for social media tips and find a fairly recent article like this one that was posted a few months ago. Jump in there and look at this title, Social Media Marketing Tips Every Business Should Be Using. What we could do is create a spin-off piece of content to this. Maybe call it 5 social media marketing tips your business should be using. And if you wanted, you can grab a few of these points, go back to the search results, open another article and take a few of those points, but you're not going to be copying them exact. You'll be rewording it on your own, or you can do what I like to do, which is using this tool called Jasper AI, where I have a link in the description below where you can get your first 10,000 words for free using this and see if this is something that you like. Once you use that link below and sign up, you can head over to templates and go down to the content improver, whereby you can take some of the points from the articles over on Google and paste it into this space right here. And when you hit generate AI content, what it'll do is take that content and rewrite it in a way to make it more interesting, creative, and engaging. So let's try that. This first tip about being consistent. Posting consistently can go a long way. Let's take this first paragraph, copy it, paste it over into the content improver, and then hit generate AI content. And what Jasper AI did over here, it gave us 3 different options of seeing this information over here, but in a more interesting way that is unique. So what you could do is come over here, click one of them if you decided to use this option, hit copy, and then create a brand new Google Doc, something for free, where you can paste that content in here and repeat the same steps of getting more content, making it more engaging via the content improver. Or this is something else that you can try, especially if you used the link in the description. You have access to all of the tools inside of here. But the tool that is especially useful here is over by documents, hit new document and choose start from scratch. For the title, we want to take this title here and modify it like we was just doing previously. Paste that into here and let's call that 5 social media marketing tips that your business should be using. Come down to output length and hit longer. And to create the video script, because yes, we're going to create a YouTube video. So come over here and type write a blog post, then hit Control and enter. And just like that, the video script is almost done. We already have 2 different points. If you're pleased with what you've read so far, of course you have to read it through. Just go ahead and hit compose again. And it'll continue writing the 3rd point and the 4th point. And we like how it's looking so far and how it's sounding. So just hit compose again. And let's wrap up this article because we don't want to spend too much time doing this, especially since you got those 10,000 words for free, right? It even did a conclusion. So this short video that you will be creating to send traffic to that affiliate link already has 444 words. So what you could do next is just highlight this entire thing. If you're happy with what it sounds like, hit copy. Head over to this tool called InVideo.io that is going to create the content, the video automatically for us. And you can get started with this for free as well with the affiliate link I have in the description below. So once you log in and sign up with that, hit get started. It's free. Log in and then this is what your dashboard will look like. Hit vertical because what we're going to do is create a YouTube short automatically. And we're doing text to video because we have a script already and we want this program to do all of the work. So now just simply choose a template here. Any one of these is going to work, but you can take your time and select which one that you think is most suitable. I like this one, so let's go with use this template. Come over here to add the story and hit paste. What you'll want to do next is separate each of these sentences because each of these are going to be separated into different scenes. You can do this yourself. That'll probably take you about a minute or so. Or if you don't have any time like I do, you can go over to the site called textfixer.com. Hit add a paragraph break after each sentence. Paste your text into here and then hit add line breaks. Now it did all of this automatically for you already. Hit copy to clipboard and then paste that text over here now into your story. And there you have it. Don't forget the headline, which is the title. The title that we used was 5 social media marketing tips that your business should be using. Copy that, paste it as the headline, and then hit next. Making sure that this is checked because you want this to auto-suggest images and videos because they are creating the video for free. And in just a few seconds, this video will be ready. You will just have to make a few minor changes by choosing the most suitable music and stuff like that. Also, if you want to do a voiceover. Well, there you go, it's ready to go. And because you separated each of those sentences, we have different scenes here that were created. Let's take a look at the first one to see and hear what this sounds like. So once you're pleased with all of these scenes, or if you're not, you can always come over here, hit video or image, and change the type of stock content that is inside of here, and drop something that seems more suitable to you, fitting it to the scene. and then hit done when you think it's fine. Once this video is complete, you just hit download. And then over on your YouTube channel, go up to that new button and then hit upload video. You can drag and drop the video that you just created within InVideo here. Don't forget to give it a title, and remember you can use the same thing that we just created, which was 5 social media marketing tips that your business should be using. What's really important is putting hashtag shorts at the ending so that it can be classified as a YouTube short. But what's even more important than that is your affiliate link. This is a short link. This is the affiliate link that you'll get when you sign up to Promo Republic's affiliate marketing program. And when you grab that link after signing up, copy it, you'll be pasting that right here. And when they click that, you start their 14-day trial. Then you start making money.